Hi there. Let's see if this is right. Hi, I'm George Westinghouse with Sanding Solutions, and I'm going to show you how to refinish or resurface, recoat a distressed or a hand-scraped hardwood floor. First thing you do with any wood floor when you're recoating it is screening. You rough it up. The screening will clean it up, get rid of any like small paint specks or say pop stains or coffee stains or whatever. But more importantly, what it does is it allows the final coat, the next coat, to adhere. It roughs the surface up, so it gives something for the next surface to grab onto. Typically, you would use a sanding screen on a buffer. Very like 120, 150 grit, or just sometimes even a maroon or Teflon pad. On these distressed or hand scraped floors, there's a bit of a different problem. Number one is they're usually plank, and planks the edges tend to rise up a little bit. So when you're screening it with a 16-inch buffer, you're only hitting a lot of times you'll be riding on these edges because of the cupping. Also, there's these nose spots where they hew the log. They're everywhere. And this will not get in there. So any dirt or stains or paint specks or whatever, they're there to stay if you coat over it again. Now, I'm the developer of, as I said, of the SAND+AID. SAND+AID is a pound sanding attachment. It allows you to put an extension pole onto a pound sander. Here's one. The extension pole goes in here, and you can even sand if you're a painter high up and stuff. But here's one that I've got now. I'm going to show you how to do recoat or refinish these distressed or hand scraped floors the right way. Okay. First, we're going to go at a 45-degree angle across the floor so it'll go in and out. It won't ride on any of these edges. Then we'll finish with the grain. Already got some here. Yep, getting all those up. Do not stop. Leave the first to the finish. Oh, yeah, like I said, I did this here. Okay, now, we're going to 45, so here's the grain. Now we're getting the whole board. Now see, the whole board is done. Oh, not just these high spots. I mean, you're getting everything. Then the next coat, it'll adhere and it'll last. You don't have to do this again for a long time. So to do it right, you need the SAND+AID. From Sanding Solutions, go to sandingsolutions.info or westinghouse.geo@gmail.com. Thanks. Save your knees.